kit review is of the Boeing 7878, the Dreamliner, and it's a 144 scale model by Revell of Germany, and here are the dimensions, and here's some pictures of the model. Let's see if there's any more details here about the plane. Well, let's have a look inside. It's quite a long box, it's a large model. Let's have a look. So, here's our fuselage, and it's fairly well molded. Don't really have any mold lines anywhere, although we also don't have any panel lines. We have fairly well molded windows, no real detail on the inside. We have our wing. There's the top of the wing here. We have some recessed panel lines. And we have our lower part of the wing here with the bottom part of the fuselage. And next we have, looks like this is probably the tips of the tails. We have our engines. Now these are very nicely molded. Look at those fan blades. That's very nicely molded. Usually they're sort of molded onto this big block, round, flat thing. But those are very well molded. That's me a great level of detail. Here are the cowls. We've also got wheels, landing gear parts, the engine cowls here. This is really very nicely molded. And additional parts for landing gear here, and wheels, wheel well covers, and wing tips. So, here is the glass. Here's our front windshield. And we have the glass for the windows. We have our decals. Those are very nicely printed. A lot of detail here. Looks like we have a piece that fell off. So here are the instructions with some details about the plane. We have the colors needed there. And our parts listing. Here we start off with the looks like the nose wheel well. Put the glass in, put the fuselage together, and then the wings go together. And then the stabilizers go, elevators go together on the back. We start to build our engines here. Some great details in those engines. And then if you wanted to, you can close the wheel wells, or you can have the wheels down. Landing gear is put in. Lastly, here's the painting and decal guide. And here's the other side. So all in all, great decals, well molded, some good detail.